Top 3 Portable Dishwashers for 2020 by Susan Best. Let's start with the list. Number 1, Farberware FDWO5ASBWHA. Quality control note: all dishwashers are factory tested to ensure proper operation. As a result, it is normal for small amounts of residual water to be found in the unit. Compact design: this convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle, and is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers/RVs. No hookups needed. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher gives you the choice to fill the built-in tank so you don't need a water hookup. Water hose is included for a direct water hookup to kitchen faucet, adapter not included. Number 2, Danby DW621W DB Countertop Dishwasher. Space-saving design, compact countertop dishwasher perfect for small kitchens, apartments, condos. 6-place setting, 6-place setting capacity and silverware basket. 6 wash cycles, intensive, normal, economy, rapid, glass and soak. Delay start option: program your cycle to start around your schedule, choose from 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours. Quiet operation: this unit runs at 52 dB. This is an aftermarket of generic part. Installation type: countertop. Number 3, SPT Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Sunpentown commercial units can be found in many top restaurants, hotels and resorts. Sunpentown manufactures products with customers' everyday comfort and ease in mind. Sunpentown offers hundreds of products in a wide range of categories: air quality, refrigeration, lighting, sanitary, massage and dishwasher. Sunpentown offers top-of-the-line appliances at a competitive price and superior customer service that go above and beyond. For more info on the products mentioned, visit the links in the video description below.